We will soon find out where the wild things really are. Belch! That was a very loud belch. Okay. Let's see. Next, anyone want to go louder than that? All right, belch and a different interpretation. Anyone can do a belch? Judges? Come on over. I've heard this one. Do you get another one?
I don't know.
Alright, I'll come down. I can come down. Ready? What?
Oh, I'll give it to you.
You have another one? What? Okay.
Give us what you got.
I'm going to laugh at the end after you had a little...
Aftershock on that one. Here we go.
I need some more time.
Oh. Hey, we're coming out the attic, not out the basement. You know, that's the definition here, right? Alright.
Because if it was the basement, let me tell you. I couldn't get it out on it.
There's the letters in the alphabet there. Alright. Who's next? Come on.
Girls play first.
This is a belching competition. Is that what you rules here?
Like he's being a gentleman before he belches. Very nice. Alright.
No, I can't do it.
Don't be nervous, Dave.
It's hard to do.
This is a skill.
I think pressure would actually be helpful here.
He gave the opportunity, ladies first.
Follow that.
All right, judges.
Fox.
Fox gets it. Fox gets it. All right.